I love this. It's like very unique. At least meron kasi magbayad kayo using other credit cards. You get 5% off. Masarap. Oh my God. Promising. Promising. Guys, I'm back in Ginza. This is my favorite place. Kaya masaya ako, nagstay ako dito kasi I like Ginza. Quiet, pang matanda, pero itong place sobrang daming tao. Kasi shopping area naman to. I'm just gonna look for things na kailangan ni Jazz and then I can go check in 15 minutes. So babalik, lakarin ko lang yun pabalik mamaya. Guys, this is Coco Hotel here sa my Ginza. Let us do a review. Pagpasok mo, you have your hangers here to hang your clothes. Then you have a full-length mirror here. O, diba? And, syempre, meron ka dyan, luggage rack mo. And you have slippers, your shoe mitt, your air freshener. You have a dehumidifier here, your TV, your phone, your safety deposit, a hair dryer as well, pen and paper, kung kailangan nyo man yan. Then, meron ka pa rin dito workstation mo with a mirror. Diba? May chair ka dyan. And guys, kung titinan mo, nandito po yung laundry bag mo. Nandito yung mga menu mo for room service if ever you need it. And syempre, meron kang kettle. And then you have your mugs here if ever you need. And definitely a fridge. Guys, sa baba yung mga kape. Diba? Papakita naman natin yan mamaya sa video. You have a sofa and a small table where you can eat. Yung may natural light, pero it's not much, but okay na. And then this is your bed. It is a twin double sharing room or double room nila as they call it. Pang dalawang tao talaga siya. Pero gets nyo guys, medyo not big siya. So may bathroom naman siya dyan. So if ever gusto mo, I would recommend getting a bigger room for 2 people to stay comfortably. And then this is the restroom guys. Diba? Medyo modern naman siya at least. And then shampoos, body wash, lahat yan provided na. Nandyan yan lahat. Diba? In fairness, diba? Hand wash, everything that you need. For example, yung mga lotions, yung mga shaving cream, yung mga ganon, lahat nasa lobby yan, kukunin mo. That's very Japanese style, diba? And not only that, for me, this room, not bad, comfortable naman siya, pero good for one. Parang, if dalawa kayo dito, medyo parang, it's kind of pushing it. It's kind of pushing it a bit. So, yun, finally, nakaupo ako. Nakakuha rin ako mga coffee dun sa baba. Bumili na rin ako mga drinks. Nakapag-ikot rin ako. Maganda yung location niya because yung station mo, dalawa. You have your Asakusa line, which is the red line. Diretso siya from the Haneda Airport. Isang train lang yan. And then, the other one naman is, you also have a Y line, which is Ginza Ichome na station, which is just like a few meters lang. As in, mas malapit yung Ginza Ichome kaysa doon sa Asakusa na lane na station. But, the good part there is, at least you have options. Diba? Wherever you're gonna go, you have options. And, I wanna try my egg sandwich. I bought this doon sa Haneda Airport kanina. Hindi pa siya kinakain. Kasi parang inisip ko, kakain ba ako o hindi? Nakatulog ako. And, oh my gosh, it looks good. Nagpunas na ako ng kamay, guys, ha? Ay, harap. Ay, gusto ko hindi pumasok si Rod. Nag-intay lang siya sa labas. Sis, ba't hindi ka pumasok? Ito yung Misukatsu place. Ito yung sa Nagoya. So, ba't hindi ka lang pumasok, sis? Kumain ka na lang dapat. Oh my gosh, my favorite. Hi, arigato. Black pork tonkatsu. Oh my gosh, ito yan guys. This is so good. Ito yung buong menu niya. Let's try it. Do that like that. No. Autofocus naman yun. Meron na to. Cute. Guys, nasa Lawson ako. This is like a Lawson natural. Tingnan mo naman guys, so Lawson natural siya. Like all natural yung mga food mo. Like even your coffee. Even the coffee is so different here. As in, may mga sandwich siya. Ay, may Okochi rin dito. Guys, maganda to Okochi. Bilhin nyo yan. Tapos nag-try rin ako nitong protein bar nila. Kasi all natural. Okay, and then let's see, this is sugar. This is pink milk. No, hindi siya 0 calorie. Diba? Cute. Coffee mo. I'll show you anong mga meron sila dito. Like ganito, o bago yan. Mga breads nila yan. All Lawson natural. May mga breads like that. Meals. Wait. I'll show you something else. Matuwa ako dito. Oh my God. Ang dami niya mga healthier options na food. Ayun, pati mga tinapay. Ganyan, no? May mga ganyan siya dito. Oh, ang ganda. Like, all of those are like natural food, natural options. So, yes, that's one thing na, ay, pwede ka pa kumain dito. Pakain ako dito. Masarap. Ibang level. Sarap siya. Okay, kain naman ako. Guys, kaya ang sarap kasi sabi ni truffle siya. Truffle. Ang sarap. Grabe. Oh my God. Guys, okay, papakita ko sa inyo to kasi may security bank ako, diba? And here, you're going to get a discount coupon. So, kanina, sinabi niya, okay, may discount ka if you pay using your credit card. So, if you have a Security Bank credit card dito sa Matsuya Ginza, if you're going to use your Security Bank card and pay, you get 5% off. So, 5% off, isipin mo ha, nabawi mo na yung 3.5% na card fee ni Security Bank, and then you get this discount, and it's valid for the day itself siya. Ang bongga! As in, nakatipid ka pa ng 1.5%. Pwede na. At least meron kaysa magbayad ka using other credit cards, diba? Wala kang tipid. So, parang nabawi mo plus konti pang discount. Pwede na. So, all you have to do is just use your Security Bank credit card, go to the counter, and then yun yung kailangan mo ipakita. Kailangan mo ipakita yung card mo and your passport. They're gonna match kasi kailangan name mo. If hindi mo siya name, hindi ka pwedeng bumili. Yun lang. Another tip, kaya don't forget to always bring. Guys, we're going to Bic and I'm gonna get a camera. Gusto ko yung Action 5. So, yun yung kukunin ko. And nakita ko may stock sila dito. So, we're going to Bic and we're gonna get it. Para maiwan ko na siya sa kwarto para hindi ko siya bitbitin the whole day. Okay, anyways, ito na. Kukunin ko na siya. I got the goods! Yun na. Yun yung gift ko sa sarili ko. Char. Kasi, parang maganda yung camera na yan eh. Parang mas hindi siya matagal unlike the Osmo Pocket 3 na pag maglo-load, yung gimbal. So, yun. Medyo maingay na dito. Lakad na muna ako. Iwan ko na to sa room. Guys, so I went to get Lawson again. I really wanted to try this eh. Kasi parang mukha siyang masarap. And bago to, kakaluto lang sa garlic bread. Alam mo, mahal pala siya ha. Kasi 300 yen tong isang ganito niya. Masarap. Wala akong masabi. Masarap. Ang crunchy niya. Kumuha rin ako ng ganito. Kasi lagi ko siya nakikita bago itong mga burrito na to. It's butter chicken curry, filling, and cheese. Ito na. The moment of truth. The curry. Mali pa yung pagbukas ko na side. Dapat dito sa taas. Nababasa ko ng KKB, guys. Parang yung curry niya dito. Ang kapal ng balat. I like this place. Baka meron dito mga drugstore in Tindok. Fair. Yata yung pizza place na yun, guys. Maliit. Pero pwede naman lakad tomorrow. In one station away siya from Shibuya. Anong pangalan ulit? The restaurant? Pizza no something, diba? Nobus. Norong. Ni. Marumo. Marumo. Pizza Marumo pala. Sorry, nahuli ako ng pangalan. Oh my gosh, this is a pizza place, guys. Look. My gosh, ang liit niya lang. Wait, I'm gonna take photos. So guys, ito yung pizza place. And ito yung menu mo. Guys, ito yung pizza, So, ito yung pizza place. It's Pizza Marumo. So, ito sabi ni Rod na masarap. So, let's go. Medyo feeling ko promising. Guys, I got the mentai ko. Medyo na-addict ako sa mentai ko from Fukuoka. Masarap naman siya, guys. In fairness. Para siyang may konting spice. Pero masarap.
Japanese umami.
Japanese umami.
So it's dried chicken, shiitake mushroom cream soup. Wow. It's like crunchy but chewy. Wow.
Milk guys, there's like fun.
If possible, okay. If not possible, no problem.
Okay lang yan.
You ask if possible.
It's a new pizza, it's the prosciutto one. Sorry.
Oh my god.
Nag-omelette si Rod para masarap. Yung hinahanap ko may alat.
Ako karne.
Parang ang light niya, no? Parang hindi ako nabusog. Parang perfect.
Kaya ito ito lang.
And we're off! Checking out na tayo. So guys, ito yung hop-in mo. And then you have free coffee. Ito yung unang napansin, di ba? So free coffee and all the time. And then lahat ng amenities, yung mga amenities mo in room, wala siya. But it's here. Toothbrush, hairbrush, bath towel, even yung mga bath salts mo meron. Shala! And you have tea as well. O di ba? Hindi ka mauubusan. Guys, ito naman, hop-in to na ang ganda nito. Tatami level ang kwarto mo. Boosh! Pagpasok mo, o diba? You have your tatami mat. And yes, nagtanggal na po ako ng shoes ko. Ang laki ng TV nila, Ang laki. With water and even kettle mo, mugs mo nandyan din. And of course, you have your mini fridge here. But the best part here is you have two separate single bed, diba? At least, diba? Kasya ka pa rin. Diba? Kasya yung dalawang tao. And then you have your saksakan dyan sa tabi ng mga bedside table mo. O diba? Nandyan lang yan. And then you have lights there. And yes, may aircon ka pa rin naman. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Maganda yung aircon. Madaling gamitin. And of course, your bathroom. May bidet po yan. You have your cups, mugs, shampoo, conditioner, lahat yan. Body soap. Yes, may bathtub pa rin siya. So, it's small but it's enough. O diba? Ang ganda. coat rack mo, hangers mo nandyan, slippers are also provided in this room. For me, if you want a very unique stay, ito yung pwede mo gawin, di ba? Ang ganda rin ito, as in. I love this. It's like very unique. And then, ang ganda rin sa sahig ng tatami. Guys, may mga hanger rin dyan, hanger coat racks mo if ever you want to put it. And yes, I recommend ang luggage nyo definitely pag nandito yan, dito nyo ilalagay yan. Dito nyo dapat isiksik yung maleta nyo. So guys, this is the 905 triple sharing room mo. Pagpasok mo, you have your couch. And guys, tatlo yung upuan na yan ha. And you have one single bed and then you have a queen size bed dito kasi it sleeps 3. Isa dyan, tapos dalawa dito. And, syempre sa kama mo, lahat meron ka talagang switches and meron kang saksakan. Ang laki lagi ng TV talaga rin here. And not only that, coat hangers mo kung kailangan mo, yes, provided lahat nandyan yan. And then you have your kettle, water, your mugs, your lamp. Guys, may slippers yan, a drawer, and then you also have definitely a mini fridge here. Malaki ang mirror mo to see yourself. Hindi ka mawawala. But even the bathroom is decent size, di ba? May bidet po yan. And then you have your towels, you have all of your shampoo, conditioners, body soap, mirror pa rin. Everything is provided dito sa loob ng room. And of course, Asakusa, malapit ka sa Sensoji Temple, ang daming kainan sa labas. And this room is really, really big. As in, kahit ilang maleta ilagay mo dito, pwede mo ilagay dito yung mga maleta mo. Guys, di ba dyan, no? Dyan mo lagay lahat maleta mo, kasyang-kasya kayo dito. Ganda, laki. And yes, so true, it is. It is one of the better hotels that you can go. And alam mo yun, parang hop-in. Kasi pag nasa Pilipinas tayo, di ba, alam mo yung hop-in. And by the way, di ba, nagbigay ako ng giveaway for hop-in, yung pinanalunan ko. So, alam mo yun, parang gusto ko talaga siya tingnan. Kasi I keep hearing about it. And sabi ko nga, we have to prove kung maganda talaga siya. And yes, na-prove natin. Ito na yun. This is the deluxe room here, or double room nito. Pagpasok mo, you have your, di ba, mirror ka. You have your, you have all of your hangers from clothes nyo kasi you have to save space. Then you have your hair dryer. Then the TV is so big. And then my workstation ka. Ito yung very important sa akin. And ang ganda, alam mo yun, yung parang, di ba, nagro-roll pa yung mga chairs niya, di ba? Mini fridge, di ba, coffee, kettle mo, water mo, and then your mugs are here. And guys, ito talaga, yung kama niya, this is a double room. Usually, ang liliit ng kama here in Tokyo, pero ito ang laki. As in, parang king size yan na bed, I'm sure. And then here you have a socket, then your switches. Guys, meron pa doon, para doon sa isang kaibigan mo na matutulog dyan sa loob, di ba? And this is your bathroom. Basic bathroom siya. So, water closet. And yes, you do have your bidet. Diba? Yung Toto mo. Toto ba siya? Inox. O, parehas lang namin. Basta gagana, diba? Importante. You have your hand soap, your even body wash, conditioner. Everything is provided in this room. And then, you also have more storage space here together with your slippers. And yun nga, di ba, lagi nasabi, this is such a nice room, di ba? Nice hotel. Kasi ang lapit mo sa Sensoji Temple, everything that you might need, nandito na siya. Di ba? And guys, mura. Ay, yun yung maganda. If you book early, you can really get it very, very cheap. Kasi, ang pinaka-importante naman, malapit sa station, may mga kainan, and paglabas mo talaga, oh my gosh, ang dami mong pwedeng gawin dito. Kaya parang sabi ko, iba eh. When you go to Asakusa, it's like, you have your temple here, you have your station here, you can go anywhere kasi you have an Asakusa line, you can go shopping, diba? Guys, in fairness, pero ang pinaka-importante dito, you have to book early kasi if you book early, you can get the room very cheap. If not, syempre, mas mahal siya. O, diba? Guys, diba, may free coffee ka pa every time. Guys, ito pa, diba? You have all of your things here, like restaurants, pwede kayo dyan. Guys, ito na siya, oh. Ito yung kakainan natin. Ito yung prices niya po. Cash only. check out na and then maglalakad na tayo papunta doon sa station. So, guys, so kinuha natin yung green car which is reserved kasi 2-2 yung configuration niya. So, and then guys, ang ganda ng seat, oh. You have a table, you have your hookah, and then syempre, ang cups mo, chair mo, o diba? O diba? Table ka for you to work, ang laki. May saksakan ka pa dito, and then you can recline. Diba? And then wala pa ako katabi. So, mas mahal siya ng mga 300 yen, pero okay na, sulit, or 300 pesos pala. Pero, okay na, diba? And then, diretso tayo sa Tokyo. So, a lot nyo yung time kasi medyo malayo yung Narita Express from the Tokyo station. Kasi may lakad talaga siya. So, guys, go early. Kasi hindi siya parang katulad ng bus. Diba, nandiyan na kagad sa labas. Ito hindi. So, take note yan. Okay, hindi muna. Umabot tayo. 2 hours before. So, and then may fast track pag naka-gold ka. So, at least that's good. So guys, side kwento kasi dito ako na-upgrade, diba, to gold status ko when I bought the Singapore Airlines ticket. So may 1-year gold status ako sa Star Alliance. And look at it. So you get gold status when you check in. So dito kasi business class lane nila, mabilis. And then here you have a fast track na gold track lang, specially just for gold status members. So oh my god, diba? Ang ganda, oh. Yan lang, kayo lang pwede gumamit yan. So dyan tayo pipila para walang pila masyado to go to the gates. Tingnan mo, ang haba ng pila dyan. But here, walang pila. Let's go to the Ana Lounge. Kasi yun naman kailangan natin. Hindi na tayo mag-shop dito kasi wala naman tayo kailangang bilhin. And I think I need some work done kasi meron ako maraming labada, guys. But kaya naman siya. Medyo marami lang labada ko today. Alam mo yun, parang ang daming trips kasi. So, sunod-sunod yung mga labada natin. But, carry lang. That's life. Kailangan natin siya magawa. Guys, ang daming tao. Guys, so yan yung mga food mo here. Got soup. And guys, may rice. May rice machine siya. So guys, ito pa yung other food options mo here. So, everything that you need. Guys, ito yung food. Let's try it. Ito yung sikat niyang Ana Curry. Guys, so pwede ka mag-connect. And then tingnan natin kung makakonect tayo. Parang ayaw niya ipa-connect right now. Baka may meal service sila na pwede natin i-order. We can try it out kung masarap. Or may something new. Ang sarap ng curry, guys. The curry. Yes to this. So, A&A Lounge, kailangan naka-business class ka sa ANA or if not, guys, kailangan member ka ng Star Alliance Gold at least para makapasok ka. Basta you are riding any participating Star Alliance na flight, diba? Like yung Air New Zealand, if I'm mistaken, is Singapore Airlines. ANA is Star Alliance. So yung Turkish Airlines is also a Star Alliance. Yung mga ganun. So in fairness, ang daming perks and benefits. So kaya nakakatuwa talaga siya. Siyempre, priority boarding ka rin. Then later makuha mo priority luggage mo. Now I'll do some work. Pero at least nagawa ko na yung content for this. So medyo natutuwa ako.